Are you finding yourself in a sea of choices with the Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE variants in Linux Mint? Fret not. I'm here to be your compass in deciding which Linux Mint version aligns best with your needs. Linux Mint stands out as one of the top Linux distributions, particularly cherished by beginners and those making the leap from Windows. Since its inception in 2006, it has cultivated a devoted community and, being based on Ubuntu, benefits from a robust support network. But today, let's set aside the overall merits of Linux Mint and focus on the conundrum you might face when perusing the download section on its website. The reason for the bewilderment: 3 enticing options: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. In this video, we'll untangle that web of confusion. Before we dive in, if you're new to Linux, take a moment to grasp the concept of a desktop environment. It's a critical aspect that defines your user interface and experience. Now let's unravel the intricacies of Linux Mint's desktop environment choices. So, which Linux Mint version should you choose? Well, here are the options. 1. Cinnamon Desktop, a modern touch on a traditional desktop, appreciated for its resemblance to the Windows interface. 2. Mate Desktop, a traditional-looking desktop reminiscent of the GNOME 2 era, providing familiarity and ease of use. 3. XFCE Desktop, a popular lightweight desktop environment known for its simplicity and resource efficiency. Let's delve into each Mint variant, starting with Cinnamon. Cinnamon Desktop is the flagship edition developed by the Linux Mint team. Born out of the unconventional UI of GNOME 3 almost a decade ago, Cinnamon maintains a traditional desktop look, forking some components of GNOME 2. Many users appreciate Cinnamon for its Windows-like interface. Cinnamon's performance has improved over the years, but without an SSD it might feel a bit sluggish. Moving on to Mate, the second Linux Mint variant. Mate Desktop shares a similar story, aiming to maintain and support the GNOME 2 codebase and applications. While Ubuntu Mate offers the best implementation, Linux Mint provides a customized version in line with Cinnamon aesthetics. Mate is renowned for its lightweight nature. CPU usage remains lower compared to Cinnamon, translating to better battery life on laptops. With RAM consumption starting under 500 megabytes, it offers an impressive balance between features and resource efficiency. Finally, let's explore the XFCE variant of Linux Mint. XFCE, inspired by the common desktop environment of Unix, is designed to be fast, lightweight, and easy to use. While Linux Mint offers a polished XFCE desktop, it may not match the visual appeal of Cinnamon. XFCE is the leanest desktop environment Linux Mint provides. It's simple and flexible, though some might find it less visually appealing. The RAM usage is comparable to Mate, making it a great choice for systems without an SSD. In conclusion, the choice among Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE boils down to personal taste. All 3 are easy on system resources and perform well on systems with at least 4 GB of RAM. XFCE and Mate can even support systems with as low as 2 GB of RAM. If you're still unsure, I recommend starting with the default Cinnamon edition. Test Linux Mint in a virtual box to see if the look and feel align with your preferences. If not, explore other variants in the same fashion before deciding on the version to install on your main system. Slide, Section 8 closing. I hope this guide has helped you navigate the choices between Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE in Linux Mint. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Linux exploring!